Step aboard INVICTUS, a 123-foot raised pilot house masterpiece built by the legendary Palmer Johnson shipyard. Starting aft, we have the swim platform. There's a dining table, a full-service bar, and adjacent staircase to the flybridge. Up top, the flybridge is a private paradise. Lounge on the sun pads, sip cocktails at the marble-topped bar, or soak in the jacuzzi hot tub, all surrounded by panoramic ocean views. Recent upgrades include new upholstery and a steelhead 3,000-pound crane for toy deployment. The high-tech pilot house features dual stid chairs and modern Garmin electronics. Crew quarters accommodate up to 7 forward of the galley. The professional galley boasts sub-zero refrigeration and crema marble counters, ideal for chef-prepared meals. The salon welcomes guests with American walnut floors and matte mahogany paneling. Large windows and LED lighting create an atmosphere of refined relaxation. Forward on the main deck, the full-beam master suite. Calicotta marble and Lutron lighting enhance every inch of this serene retreat. Below deck, there are 3 generously appointed guest cabins. 2 queens and a full-beam VIP offer ensuite marble baths, updated AV systems, and fresh interiors. Meticulously maintained and continually upgraded, INVICTUS is a rare offering on today's market. She's ready for immediate cruising and unforgettable experiences.